In this short video, we're going to take a look at the April 2020 TackPack. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So the folks at TackPack were kind enough to send me another one of their monthly subscription boxes. And if you're not familiar with TackPack, they are a monthly subscription service that is pretty much related to tactical type stuff, firearms related stuff. You know, if you got an AR-15 or something like that, you'll probably like what they've got in here. If you don't, you probably won't. But if that is you, you can get a free mystery box with your first order by using the coupon code PURPOSE when you check out. So anyway, I'm trying to make some rather quick little videos here. I'm doing one a day in April 2020 for this COVID-19 garbage we're going through, and we'll see how long beyond April that lasts. But this is going to be one of those quick videos, so I'm going to stop rambling, and we'll see what is in this month's TackPack. And I've got my new camera and my new microphone going right now, so hopefully this is all working good, but I'm trying to stay in focus here. And by the way, right now the price on TackPack is $49.95 a month, and every month their goal is to give you at least $80 to $100 worth of value. Some months have been more than that. So they've had a couple that have been over like 125 bucks worth of value. So anyway, the first item in the box this month is really cool. It's a cool t-shirt from the Sons of Liberty Gunworks, and this is it. Pretty stinking cool, I think. So there's that, and this is 50% cotton, 50% polyester, so I kind of like that blend myself. The shirt I'm wearing right now, as a matter of fact, is that same blend. It's a click belt shirt underneath there, by the way. So there's that. The next item is something really cool. It's a Black Rifle coffee mug. This one is a stainless steel double wall mug, but unlike some of the stainless steel double wall mugs, this one looks like it might even fit in a cup holder, which it's kind of a barrel shape. Pretty cool there, so I like that. And then the next item is another really cool item, and this is something that, gosh, I think I bought my son's one of these years ago, but it's the Gerber ParaFrame clip folder knife, and this is their most popular clip folding knife that they sell. Very cool knife there. So Gerber ParaFrame, that's nice. The next item is a really cool AR-15 chamber flag, and this is a little different from most chamber flags. You can see it's got a long straight thing here and then a little thing here. This is designed to go up through the magazine well and into the chamber, so that if you're in a range, so that anybody on the range, pardon me, can see that not only is your magazine empty, but so is your chamber filled. So that's pretty cool. Nice little safety item there. And then finally, there is a something that's really cool. A pack of shooter's tape. And this is, you can see it's yellow high-vis tape, and it's also, let's see what it says. It says it's got 1 MOA target grids on it, which are also pretty cool. So you just put this in your range bag. You can use this to type up your targets, to build targets, to patch holes in targets, so you don't have to, you know, just all kinds of cool things. This is a TackPack product. Really cool there, shooter's tape. And then there's also, every month there's like a little patch of some kind. This one is a, man, I'm not even sure what this is. I'm probably not up on, there's probably a lot of people would recognize this, but it says Precious on it. It's a little pink thing. Not really sure what that is. Maybe we'll get a close-up and you can figure it out. But anyway, I don't know what it means, or what it is, and it doesn't say anything about it on here, so it's just our most precious offering. So there's that. It also says, with the weather breaking in the outdoor ranges, becoming a great place to practice not only your accuracy, but also some social distancing. The May pack is coming packed with the necessities you need for a perfect outside day of shooting. So we look forward to that. So anyway, that is the April 2020 TackPack. So as I said, this is going to be one of those quick videos, so try not to do a lot of rambling, but once again, thanks to the folks at TackPack for sending me these boxes every month so I can show them to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, and lately a new video every day, but we'll see how long that lasts. But however long it lasts, if you want to make sure you don't miss a single video, I invite you to go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe right here. Sign up for my weekly email newsletter. Every week I'll send you an email with links to the previous videos, plus any cool offers, news, or deals I think you might be interested in. And as I've said before, occasionally we're going to do some special stuff for the newsletter subscribers. So I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.